Hey guys, welcome back to the Mountain Nights. So let's talk about a scenario where you have done your particular activity and you want to rappel down and retrieve the rope at the same time. So we'll create a scenario where we need to do the same. In this particular scenario, we have one anchor point, that is expansion bolt. I'll pass one end of the rope through the expansion bolt and send it till the ground. Now I have basically two sections of the rope. On one of the section, I'll glow hitch and pass a carabiner and lock it. I'll ensure it is tight enough and use the second section of the rope, that is the one without glow hitch and carabiner, for rappelling purpose. I'll get ready for rappelling, use my descending device or belaying device and rappel down. In this particular case, I'm using gree, because of which I'm getting auto locking mechanism and I'm able to lock myself and do the preferred activities such as retrieving of the anchors along the way. Once I reach the bottom of the entire route, I'll undo the belaying device and focus my attention on the rope, which is with the glow hitch and carabiner. I'll pull this particular section towards myself and the entire rope will cross through the expansion bolt and the entire rope will be retrieved.